Are you someone who checks their phone as soon as they wake up? Well, me too. Are you someone who mindlessly scroll on Instagram for hours and hours just to check what other people are doing? Well, same here. Are you someone who needs their phone all the time in their hand because they feel they can't function without it? Okay, yes, I am guilty. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I woke up a while back and I'm having this hot water because I have this habit of having hot water every morning, because if I don't, my throat literally gets messed up in the morning during winters. As you have read the title, I'm going to be staying away from my phone for like 24 hours. Initially I thought I'll be doing it for a week, staying without social media and phone for a week, but I thought that will be too long because like the period will be too long because beech mein I have to upload my videos as well. So I can't do that. So I'm going to be sticking to this challenge, which is called staying without phone for 24 hours. And trust me, it's gonna be very difficult because just like you all, I'm addicted to my phone. I cannot stay without my phone, and I always give myself this excuse that, oh, I'm a content creator, I'm a YouTuber, I'm this, that, so I have to have my phone, I have to be active on social media to, keep up with everything. And I was just giving myself excuses and excuses and excuses. Please ignore if you hear any noise. And fun fact is that my mom and my brother, they are not in town, they're out of town. I'm living alone and I don't even have anyone to entertain me. अगर मेरा भाई होता भी ना यहाँ पे तो मैं थोड़ा entertain हो जाती पूरे दिन के लिए. Like I would have played with him or something. I just hope that I complete this challenge without breaking any rules. Okay, so I have with me this sellotape and my pyara sa phone, and I have this box. It's like a mithai ka dabba which I found in the morning. I'm going to switch off my phone, and yeah, it's shutting down now.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, you know how we do.
So I just kept this box in my cupboard and I'm not going to be opening this until tomorrow. So goodbye phone. Okay, so let's start the day by making some breakfast, and it's around 9 o'clock right now and I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. मुझे आज कुछ टेस्टी खाने का मन कर रहा है क्योंकि इसके अलावा मैं और कर भी क्या सकती हूँ. So I'm gonna make myself some bread and pasta. So like I have never had pasta early morning and I don't know if it's healthy or not. So I'm gonna just make myself some really yummy breakfast.
Go with the brothers, you know how we do.
Okay, so guys, this is what my breakfast looks like. Not too bad. This is some pasta, white sauce pasta. Looks thoda dry क्योंकि मैंने dry बनाया है. And then we have some white bread. Usually I prefer brown bread, but आज मुझे मिला नहीं, तो we have this white bread. This is the time I miss my phone the most क्योंकि मेरे को आदत है कि YouTube पे कुछ देखने का और खाने का साथ में. मैं बिना कुछ चलाए ऐसे मतलब खाती नहीं हूँ. So I don't know, it feels very weird. So I just got done taking shower. I slept around 11 o'clock and I woke up a while back around 11:45 or 12 o'clock. It's 12:30 right now. I just got done taking shower and now I have some work which I will do. मैंने पहले सोचा था कि हटा यार, I'll just sleep the whole day, and since I don't even have my phone, I can just chill on my bed. But I have some pending work, and since I don't have my phone, I should be productive, right?
2,000 years later.
Okay, so I just got done shooting few pictures and content for Lakme, and this is what my backdrop looks like. Also, I can't edit or post the pictures today because obviously I don't have my phone, and I think I'm just gonna have my lunch now and then I'll head out. मिर्ची खा लिया मैंने गलती से. Okay, so I just finished having my lunch and now I have to go out. Firstly, I'll go to the Wi-Fi office to pay my bills, and then I'll go to post office for the thrift thing, and then I'll go to Spencer's to get few ghar ka saman, and then I might go to parlor. So I have few things to do and I'm excited to go out, but there's a problem, which is to go out I need Uber, and to book an Uber I need my phone, which I don't have. So now I don't know what to do. I might just take auto or something, but after the COVID situation ना मैंने auto लिया नहीं है बहुत दिनों से. So I don't know what to do about that, but I have no other option than taking auto. Also the places I'm going, I don't know if they will allow me to vlog there, क्योंकि I'm going to post office and पता नहीं वहाँ पे allow होता है कि नहीं to switch on your camera and stuff. It feels so weird to go out without my phone. What if I get kidnapped? What if someone kidnaps me? तो मैं क्या करूँगी? Because I have no phone, I have nothing.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
Hi guys, so I'm at Miniso right now and I'm planning to get few things, but I've spent so much today that I don't know what to do. Look at all the cute stuff they have. Okay, so I just got back home and I'm super tired right now, and this is all the stuff that I got from Spencer's. Actually I went to buy groceries, but I ended up buying snacks more and groceries less. So I'm going to show you guys what all snacks I got. So I found some really cool stuff which I thought ki since I'm staying alone तो कुछ नया कुछ try करते हैं. So let's see what we have. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up is this Smart Choice wafers in chocolate flavor, and the second thing is this same thing in vanilla flavor. I hope you all can see both the stuff. Next up we have this cake cooker cake mix. So I saw this really interesting thing, like you can make this cake in pressure cooker. So I thought कि चलो कुछ नया try करते हैं. This was like very cheap also, for like 95 rupees. Next we have Rasna. Oh my god, I was looking for Rasna since so long. मुझे आजू बाजू कहीं भी नहीं मिल रहा था रसना. मुझे टैंग मिल रहा था, but I wanted Rasna. So next up we have this drinking chocolate. I picked it up for my friend actually. मेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए था, but now I want to keep this because it's winter and you definitely need hot chocolate. और थोड़ा बहुत कुछ है, but it's not interesting enough to show it to you guys. You know, when you don't have your phone, this is what you end up doing in the video. So today whole day I'm wearing my watch. I never usually wear my watch, but I'm wearing my watch today the whole day because obviously I don't have my phone time देखने के लिए, और घर का जो clock है वो खराब हो गया है. Also I realized कि जब मेरे हाथ में फ़ोन नहीं था पूरा दिन, I was being so productive the whole day. I mean मैं पहले भी productive रहती थी, but I used to spend around 3-4 hours in a day on phone. I think even more than that, क्योंकि मैं कुछ भी करने से पहले I used to check my phone. टाइम देखने के लिए फ़ोन, कैलेंडर देखने के लिए फ़ोन, कुछ भी सर्च करने के लिए फ़ोन. So I think, you know, we need to use our own brain now and not depend on phone all the time. It's around 8 PM right now and I can't believe that I spent around 12 hours without phone. I'm so proud of myself, but 12 hours more to go. Also I was so bored and I had nothing to do that I ended up cleaning my whole house. Not my whole house, but just my room and the kitchen as well. And now I'm gonna make myself some soup. Okay, so my soup is ready and I'm just gonna start with my editing because I have nothing else to do right now.
It's not for me to say.
Hi, I'm back. So it's the next morning and I'm so excited to open my phone, and it's around 8:30 right now, 8:30 AM. तो मैंने 8:30 को कल फ़ोन बंद किया था और पैक करा था, and we have the box over here. Oopsie. So we have the box over here, and I'm so proud of myself that I completed this challenge. मेरे को लगा कि मैं तो midway ही मैं phone खोल के I start using it also. Before opening this box, I quickly wanted to share with you guys what I learned and how my experience was from this whole thing. So firstly, I was being more productive than what I used to be because पहले जब मेरे पास phone था तो मैं phone भी देखती थी, अपना काम भी करती थी, so that used to take a lot of time. तो कल मेरे पास पूरा दिन फ़ोन नहीं था, so I was being more productive in whatever I was doing. Also, it's like really important to, you know, detox yourself once in a while from all this phone and social media. So yeah, this whole experience was really good. It wasn't that difficult for me. Like kabhi I was feeling thoda irritated, but it wasn't that difficult, and I'm glad I completed this whole challenge without failing. Okay, so now we are done with all the gyan. Now let's open the box जिसके लिए हम यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं. So I couldn't find a scissor, तो मैं इससे ही करूँगी. Wow, I feel so amazing and I can't wait to open my phone. मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैं ना अपना कुछ important कुछ खोल रही हूँ, and it's just the phone. My baby, I missed you so much. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this challenge. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया and it was like very challenging for me as well क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा कुछ कभी नहीं करा था. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of content over there as well. And yeah, do not forget to press on the bell notification as well. It will notify you every time I post a brand new video. And I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!